Tired of complicated transfers? Let's make sending money between Paysafecards quick and easy. First, ensure you and the recipient both have a registered myPaysafe account. If not, head over to the Paysafecard website and sign up for a free account. Log into your myPaysafe account using your email and password. Once you're in, you'll see your current Paysafecard balance displayed on the dashboard. Locate the Send option. It's usually found within the main menu or dashboard. Tap on it to begin the transfer process. Enter the recipient's registered email address, the one associated with their myPaysafe account, in the designated field. Double-check the email to avoid any errors. Now, carefully enter the amount you want to transfer. Make sure you have sufficient balance in your Paysafecard account to cover the transfer. Review all the details of the transfer €, the recipient's email, the amount, and any applicable fees €, on the confirmation screen. If everything looks correct, confirm the transaction. You'll receive a confirmation notification once the transfer is complete. The recipient will also receive an email notification informing them of the received funds. You're all set.